The Chilean completed his move to Old Trafford on Monday after Henrikh Mkhitaryan agreed to move in the other direction. Sanchez released a statement on Instagram that suggested he spoke with Henry about leaving the Emirates. "I remember today a conversation I had with Henry, a historic Arsenal player who changed club for the same reason, and today is my turn," said Sanchez. Henry attempted to clarify the comments on Twitter on Tuesday night when he said he played no part in Sanchez's move to Old Trafford. A number of Arsenal fans turned on Henry after Sanchez's comments, with many asking the club to tear down the Frenchman's statue outside the Emirates.